Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin Edge 540. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the upper left button. Once it turns on, you will be prompted to select your desired language from a list of options. After choosing your language, the screen will display a QR code. Use your smartphone to scan this code, which will initiate the pairing process with the Garmin Connect application, a crucial first step for full functionality. Connecting your Edge 540 to the Garmin Connect app is essential for syncing data and receiving notifications. First, download the Garmin Connect application to your smartphone. Next, make sure Bluetooth is active on both your phone and your Edge device. The app will guide you through scanning the QR code and confirming the connection, often with a passkey. This direct pairing ensures all your ride data uploads seamlessly. To get the most accurate ride data, you will want to connect your wireless sensors. From the main menu, navigate to the Sensors option. Here, you can select Add Sensor and choose the type you wish to pair, such as a heart rate monitor, speed sensor, or cadence sensor. Make sure your sensor is active and nearby. The Edge 540 will automatically detect and connect to it, usually within a few seconds. Personalizing your Edge 540 enhances your riding experience. Go to Activity Profiles to customize settings for different ride types, like road or gravel. Within each profile, you can add or rearrange data fields on your screens to show metrics like speed, distance, or heart rate. You can also adjust the map layout to display specific information, ensuring your device provides exactly what you need at a glance during your rides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.